Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to power flush a toilet. This is how to unclog a toilet without any mess, no plunger, no nastiness, nothing like that. It's a real good and simple process how to power flush a toilet. So it's really easy. Here we've kind of simulated a clog. All I've done is taken a bunch of paper towels and toilet paper and kind of stuck them in the toilet here, so it's plugged, but it's not nasty right now. But all you need to do is fill up a 5-gallon bucket of water. So get your 5-gallon bucket, get in the bathtub, fill it up with some water. Then you want to take this bucket up as high as you can lift it, so about shoulder height, preferably like 5 feet up, and you're going to dump the bucket, get a stream of water that's about 2 inches around or the size of the pipe, and you want to dump it right in the hole of the toilet. So get it up high, and then this is going to power flush it automatically. It pushes everything through with no mess, no trouble. So here we go. There we go. So it just flushed the toilet automatically for you, clearing everything through the pipes. Of course, there's a little water splash you'll have to wipe up, and now the tank is empty, so you can just flush it normally right now, and it'll reflush and fill itself up. No clog, no plunger, no problem. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Also, hit the like button on this video if it saved you time, if it helped you unclog a toilet, or comment if you found this video a little too late. And I hope you subscribe to the channel and like the video for future videos as well. And thank you.